In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method to your Jotform forms. Let's dive right in. Jotform is an incredibly versatile online form builder that allows you to create forms for virtually any purpose, whether it's for collecting event registrations, conducting surveys, or as we'll focus on today, receiving payments. First off, navigate to Jotform's homepage. You can do this by typing www.jotform.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, you'll notice the website's clean layout, designed to get you started without any hiccups. The next step is crucial: logging in. On the Jotform homepage, locate and click on the Login button. This is your gateway to accessing your forms and, crucially, making any necessary amendments to them, such as adding payment options. If you've previously connected your Jotform account to Google or another platform, you'll find the option to sign in through these services, making the process even smoother. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard, known as My Forms. Here, all your creative endeavours with Jotform take shape and are stored. Look through your forms, and when you find the one you wish to edit, click on Edit. This action will take you into the Form Builder interface. Within the Form Builder, there's a plethora of elements you can drag and drop onto your form. To add a payment option, precisely what we're here for, your next move is to click on Add Element. This opens up a whole new world of form elements neatly categorized for easy access. Direct your attention to the Payments tab. This section is a treasure trove of options that make Jotform a powerful tool for businesses and individuals looking to collect payments online. Clicking on the Payments tab unveils various payment methods you can integrate directly into your form, from credit card payments to PayPal, Stripe, and more. Each payment method offers its unique setup process, reassuring in its detail, aimed at ensuring secure and efficient transactions. Now for the crux of the matter: selecting the payment method you prefer. This step is as simple as it sounds, but crucial. Take a moment to consider what your form users would appreciate most. Once you've made your choice, the selected payment gateway will require you to enter details specific to that method. For instance, integrating PayPal would ask for your PayPal account information to ensure payments are correctly channeled. The beauty of Jotform is its ability to guide you through each step with intuitive prompts, significantly simplifying what could otherwise be a daunting setup process. As a bonus tip, remember that once your payment method is integrated, taking the form for a test run is always wise. This ensures that everything is in working order, providing peace of mind before you launch your form into the world. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to adding payment methods to your Jotform forms. This powerful feature of Jotform not only enhances the functionality of your forms, but also opens up endless possibilities for e-commerce, donations, registrations, and much more. Whether you're an established business, a budding entrepreneur, or someone looking to streamline payments for any reason, Jotform's payment integration is designed to make your life easier while empowering your online forms. Remember to explore the various payment options available on Jotform, and don't hesitate to experiment with what best fits your needs. After all, the perfect form needs the perfect payment solution to match. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you take your forms to the next level with Jotform's seamless payment integration.